So whosoever pray for say, oh, him so fail, him so drop, him hype so done, make us see what go on. So did who? All of them are call up me name forget the hype. Me not give them no hype. They're going dead for hungry.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I don't know Media Fox, you know. So people, Alkaline song, when name No Emotions, hit the number 1 on the reggae global charts. You understand? iTunes, him video and him song. And these are the thing, people. It show you say Alkaline is all about music. Like people mostly talk about him song them. You realize him when him drop him song them, it a go number 1 on the global chart. As it drop, everybody grab it, say one bag of thing, say yo it flap and all of them look a thing. Yeah. But it's so funny that when him drop him song, it draw everybody attention. Why it's so? Because look here now. See, let me tell you, you see in a life, you see when something are going good, yeah man, people are going to hate. You understand? Because if you never did that one with nothing, they wouldn't see it. When quality music, people don't like that. You understand? They don't like them someday. They don't like quality. They like music where trash. See? But if you look on the comment here, you will hear people say, yo, rather than listen, you rather listen to Massacre, Rare EP, song flap. You see, this is the thing. People now listen. Them only judge a book by its cover. You understand? But it show you in a dancer. That's why you see most while. Like most of the time it's like you hear, yo, this not buy music, this not buy music. It's because these people, them not really pre-music certain way when them in a dance, like in a dancer, like them prefer listen, or you see because them not rate you. Them not listening, you know. Some of the time them not listen. Them just listen a few part and just say, yo, this flap. Because one, what you saying at the song, it not too direct with this nobody or bring no controversy like in a way. If you say, yo, wanna see what go on the other day. When a man call a man name and all of them look something there. You understand? Say, but it show you say Alkaline music is very powerful. It is very powerful. Because if it never powerful, you wouldn't get so much reactions. You wouldn't get so much reactions. Why every time when Alkaline drop music, right? Them say it flap. But a hit the number 1 spot. But the song them, where them say it not gonna number 1. Because I tell them, you know, the song them over the years where them say a hit. It's when it to be performed, is a different reaction. Yeah man, it's a different reaction. Dropping a bag of hits, right? And you can't see the impact of all those hits. It don't make any sense. If, alright, say for the year you drop 10 hits, you're supposed to can bring a certain amount of capacity. You understand? But I guess they mix up the hit with the hot song them. You understand? I saw me see it. So, it no matter what good music you put out, people are going to have things to say. Worse if you're not them favorite. You understand? But look here now. Who know good music? I go just know say, yo, people just hate when it comes to Alkaline music. But I feel music, I hit the number 1 chart them. You understand? Because anyway you check, you know, people are going to hate, you know. It's like, sometimes you will drop out some music and when you look down the line, them same people always say Ray, I say nay now. Yeah man. So in a life, you can't really listen where people say you have to just focus on the music. And that's why we rate Alkaline. Because as an artist, people supposed to only talk about you mostly when it comes to music. Remember say Alkaline do media and all of them look something there. You understand? Anytime you hear people, when you drop a music and you hear people say it flap, just know say the song will win. Because look here now, when other people out there drop their music, them not pick it up and say nothing about it. It show you say them the song there is nothing. Just pre-it. The song them with Alkaline drop. Yo, this not sound good. Yo, 2026. Yo, him fall off, this and that. But when other artists drop for them song, nobody see it, nobody take it up and react, nobody not say nothing about it. It shows those songs not doing any damage, it not relevant. You know who for song I do damage? Alkaline. Them will listen. This is the thing, you know. The other artists will drop for them song. Them not listen to it. You know who for song them listen to? Alkaline. Yeah, man. It show you. So sometimes when you see hate, sometimes when I really hate. You understand? It's like them see things are going for you. Song bad. But look at now. Them gonna play the hate version there to make it feel like say, yo, the song now do nothing. You understand? So Alkaline always are using music to expose them. Cause yo, for sure you say when the youth drop music, it does highlight all over the place. Everybody talk about it, review it. Yo, I see people are like set up live and they must say, yo, who no think him this? Yo, who him this in that one yeah? Who him do this? You hardly see people react to people music like that. You understand? You hardly. And that's why the youth saying that the song say, yo, him are the center of every attention. And that is facts. Because it no matter how Alkaline stay in him shell, stay in him zone, people always call out him name. Remember, you know, the youth do media, him him only post him video them on YouTube, but you not go see him private life or him not go come live. Him not go come live and talk a bag of things. Him just feed the people them with music. With music. And this youth been doing that for years. And that's why him career grow. Because look, as an artist, you're supposed to display music to the people. That's how we connect. Remember, you know, as an artist, an entertainer, a music connect people to you. You understand? Not lifestyle, music. That's how we connect. You understand? So Alkaline over the years been using music and him not stop. And that is why when him drop the song, everybody run with it, talk about it, yo, the man is controversy himself. Yes, when him drop song, it does create a controversy in the media. You go see people who hate, yo, this flap, this, that. You go hear people start review, all of them look at something there. Seeing? So it shows you, at this moment, dancehall really, if you realize, it's not about music. Like at a high percentage, it's all about this controversy, this drama, this back and forth, this, all of these things. That's why Alkaline say, yo, I be an internet them run with, bro. Because where them run with the internet, as a dancehall artist, where you're supposed to display music to your fan base, yeah, man, that not happen. I be a bag. If I know girlfriend or this or that, it's the majority of them dancehall artists, yeah, them only display non-musical things. And that steer your fans or whoever listen to your music in a da category there. It's when you drop your music now, them not really meds it. Because it's like you spoil them into that zone. You understand? So Alkaline right now, I make when him do him thing them, when him drop, him sang them, Alkaline make them a focus on dancehall musically. Because me not see no other dancehall artists when them drop them music, them react like this. You understand? Alkaline just know say, yo, music, next music. Him album a found up, people are wait on it. Because remember, you know, at the hate, make Alkaline get stronger, you know. You understand? Because, to be honest, people, the amount of people me see I react to, me not see nobody react to certain artist song like this. Me I tell you, the man drop his song and me I tell you it a blow up the whole of the place. Alkaline will say some things. Yo, and Alkaline will drop all a cover. And people, me tell people already. Right? If you realize how Alkaline doing music video them, people not understand. It's not all about, say, dropping music video, girls and cars. Alkaline do two things with him career. Right? Alkaline only make him fans focus on music when it comes to him. Right? Music. Him drop mostly audio, more than doing a bag of videos, right? Him steer him fans only to music. Because you know what? Music as an artist, that way carry your career go further. Enough of these artists not doing that. They must steer them fans in a different things. So when them drop them music, the fans don't really react to it. Them not really talk about it. You understand? So look here now. Alkaline make him fans them focus on music, drop him audio. But pre this now. You see when him drop a video, you notice you not see no bagger man in it. You will see 1 and 2 girl. Sometimes you not see no girl and I just him alone. It show you say the youth want you focus on the music when it comes to him. In a video, focus cause look here. When you see him in a video now, it make you listen to him / him music more. See? So like that video when drop, people are say, yo right now, the video better than the song. Right? But people are listen. But you see, because majority of them vision gone somewhere else, some of them say that. You understand? Because them are look for video, them are look for that. But when them get all of these videos more while with bag of gangster and a mass and this and that, you know what that do? That make them only focus on wine and the video and now listen to music. That's why when Alkaline drop a song, you hear people talk about it more. Because him make people focus on music. Him not make people focus on no video and all and what go on in a video and all of them little things. You have to know how to lead the people. Them. Alkaline is a leader. Him lead them for tuning into him music. Alkaline will put up a cover and him say, yo, next track I wonder what am I gonna say now? Remember you know, him not drop no song yet. Him just drop a cover. So these are the thing, people. Dancehall now, them it reach a space where them not too into the music thing. Them love see video, them love see them controversy thing there, this and that because the internet world and all of these things. So them not too fully focused on music like that. You understand? Them mostly focus on the video part, yeah. But Alkaline always bring them back to the music. Him always bring them back to the music. You see it? One song, you know. One song the youth drop for the year. And everybody a listen, them a pull it up. Them a say this and that, it flap and ray. But look here now. At the end of the day, the song still reach #1. It still reach #1. You understand? Still. Remember when enough song drop and people say, oh, share that. And it's when it reach a certain level, them see them wanna sing it. Yeah, man. Cause look, you know, some people will hate you in the media, you know, or hate a song in the media, but behind doors are them that are pump it in them speaker in them ears. Yeah, man. So, Alkaline song, it #1. You see me? On the iTunes chart. Good song, great song. You understand? It have some catchy line in it and thing. Matter like a bag of things in a song. Good music. Because I'm telling you this, Alkaline's 10 step ahead of them people, you know. Yeah man, 10 step ahead of them. Him not do regular things. Different. That's why you see how people react to him song them. You see me? Them react to it because it's something different. Because dancehall not really focused on quality music like that. Yeah. And enough of these songs where dancehall really react to, a hot song them. Some 9-day wonder song. That's why you see majority of the artists them sang them after a while, that's it. And them have to hurry up and find a next song. Yeah, I saw them do it. That's why I tell you, Alkaline, when him drop song, him drop one today, you know, maybe see one for the next 4 months. You understand? Because look here. It no matter the amount of each song where you have. Because you have different generations of forward in. You understand? And enough of them not grow up on them hit song there back then. And remember this. And all of your hit song them you go sing on one performance. You understand? And all of them. Remember you can have all 3 big hit song. And it still do a lot for you. Same way. You see me? But about the finished product. The masterpiece. Because music is not something where you rush. Yeah. Music move slow. And it can move slow now and then pick up faster after. You understand? That's how music work. Sometimes you can drop a music and you know wait till it wait till it inert or connect, and then you go drop a next one and black out that one there. You can use music kill music. Sometimes you have to give the music some time to build up in the ears and make the brain focus. You see it? Yeah, and that Alkaline do all over the years. Alkaline have a lot of hit songs. Why you think the youth can pull such a huge crowd? Him hit song them no normal. You understand? And him a do it. So I'll hear them attack. I just the fool is the last to know. Everything will make sense soon, you know. Yeah man, everything will make sense soon. Cause I'm having fan base. Now for them not a fan base. But as me say, good music are good music. Yeah, and everybody have like good music. Sometimes some people want to hear some drama music and all of them because some little raunchy music, some little, you understand? Them used to them music there. But most of the time the music they're not really gone away. Just a little 9-day wonder thing. But Alkaline music live on. Yeah man, it live on man. Enough of them songs that were Alka do back then. You will go out some party and some Alkaline song I play. I wanna channel. People remember them song there? Yeah man, it live on man. You see it? But you don't know say Vendetta Boss did him thing. Musicians. If you check what the musicians usually do back then, you will understand. Enough of them artists, yeah, them rush the music. Them drop a bag of 100 songs, 50 songs, 200 songs for the year. You have all artists out there drop all 200, 300 songs for the year and no hit. Right? You waste your time, bro. All you do, I just get a bag of YouTube views. That's it. None of the songs make an impact. You just release songs. As a musician, music is timing. So you feel like say if you can drop all 500 songs and none no hit. Cause remember, you know, at the hit song, and that will build your catalog, you know. It's not the 200 song where you release on YouTube and collect a couple views and that's it. I know that build catalog. At the hit song them you have. So you might feel say, yo, you just waste your time there, so. It's a gambling thing you depend. You understand? But you don't win. But Alkaline smart. Alkaline when him drop him song them, him no rush him song them. Yeah, them a say, yo, Alkaline a 2 drop song, this and that. Go on drop a song them, Cause it no matter amount of Alkaline song them a drop, when him keep him show them, it full out. Enough of them artists are where them say I drop hit song every day. Them nah pull the crowd the Alkaline pull. So that's why I say, a so-called hit song. But the hit song where you not drop so-called, it's still not pulling the crowd. You understand? It's still not pulling the crowd. Them they are just look a hot song for them and then that's it. You understand? But people, when they don't know, you know, media facts, you know, they don't know things that bless up. That is it.